Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best air freshener plug-in is probably one of the most versatile and convenient ways to keep your home smelling fresh and inviting, offering a continuous release of pleasant fragrances that can transform any room from stale to sensational with minimal effort, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to enhance their living space's ambience and overall sensory experience. Number 5. Febreze Plug Air Freshener, Linen and Sky. Tired of lingering household odors? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your home smelling fresh, day after day. This starter kit includes a warmer and 2 oil refills. Enjoy consistent, automatic odor fighting for up to 50 days on a low setting. Breathe in the comforting and classic fragrance of Linen and Sky. It's the perfect scent to freshen up any room. With digitally controlled scent release, it provides first-day freshness that truly lasts. You'll always know when it's time for a refill thanks to the low-level indicator light. Experience continuous, automatic odor elimination and a fresh scent that keeps your home welcoming. Say goodbye to strong odors for good. What we like? This offers continuous odor fighting with digitally controlled scent release. It lasts up to 50 days on a low setting, ensuring consistent freshness. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution to combat persistent household odors and want to know exactly when to replace the refill, this is a great choice. What people say. The Febreze plug-in air comes in various flavors and it does actually eliminate all odor of smell and leave the room with calm effect. It will last 5 months equivalent to 150 days. The size of the bottle is perfect for the plug-in, small, and fit perfect. Number 4. Febreze Plug-in Air Freshener Ocean Scent Starter Kit. Introducing the Febreze Plug-in Air Freshener Ocean Scent Starter Kit. This kit includes the warmer and 2 ocean-scented oil refills. Experience a unique blend of water lily, ginger, and hinoki wood. It creates a cool and inviting ambience in any room. Enjoy a distinct freshness that lasts up to 50 days on a low setting. It's perfect for combating strong odors in your home. Discover a Febreze scent unlike any other. Elevate your home fragrance experience with this unique and long-lasting option. Never guess when it's time for a change. It features a low-level indicator light, letting you know when a refill is needed. What we like? Experience a distinct freshness with a unique blend of water lily, ginger, and hinoki. It elevates any room with a scent that lasts up to 50 days on low. If you appreciate a sophisticated and unique fragrance profile that goes beyond typical air fresheners and want a long-lasting ambience, this is the one for you. What people say. The Febreze plug-in air comes in various flavors and it does actually eliminate all odor of smell and leave the room with calm effect. It will last 5 months equivalent to 150 days. The size of the bottle is perfect for the plug-in, small, and fit perfect. Number 3. Glade Plug-in's Air Freshener Starter Kit. Discover a new way to freshen your home. Introducing the Glade Plug-in Starter Kit, designed for continuous fragrance. Experience the refreshing scent of aqua waves. It's like a gentle ocean breeze, bringing tranquility to any room. Enjoy weeks of consistent, delightful fragrance. Our advanced formula ensures your space always smells inviting. Simply plug it in and let the fragrance fill your home. It's an effortless way to maintain a pleasant atmosphere. Ideal for your living room, bathroom, or any space that needs a touch of freshness. It enhances every corner of your home. This kit includes everything you need to get started. You get 2 warmers and 6 refill scents for extended use. What we like? This starter kit provides a generous amount of fragrance with 2 warmers and 6 refills. It's infused with essential oils for a natural scent experience. If you want to fragrance multiple rooms or prefer a larger initial supply of refills, this option offers excellent value and coverage. What people say. The scent is really nice and smell like apple baked pie. Perfect, exactly the scent I was hoping for since it's been discontinued and I can't find it anywhere around my location. It makes my whole house smell great. It's very calming. It's very fresh, it's very light, it's berries, it smells like I'm baking. Great smell, it lasts fairly well. Number 2. Glade Plug-in's Air Freshener Starter Kit. Introducing the Glade Plug-in's Air Freshener Starter Kit. It includes 2 warmers and 6 refills for a continuous, delightful home fragrance. Experience a clean linen scent, consciously crafted with essential oils. It's a beautiful blend of crisp air, fresh laundry, and lily of the valley. This air freshener is perfect for enhancing any room in your home. Use it in the bedroom, living room, or bathroom for a welcoming scent. Our redesigned warmer is completely adjustable. Enjoy up to 60 days of continuously diffused fragrance oil for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Each refill provides up to 60 days of fragrance on a low setting. Enjoy a consistently pleasant scent throughout your home. What we like. Enjoy up to 60 days of fragrance with its redesigned, adjustable warmer. The clean linen scent is consciously crafted with essential oils for a delightful aroma. If you desire more control over scent intensity and a longer-lasting fragrance experience, especially in high-traffic areas, this is an excellent option. What people say. The scent is really nice and smell like apple bake pie. It makes my whole house smell great. It's very calming that it's very fresh, it's very light, it's berries, it smells like I'm baking, I love it. It's easy to use. You just pop in the oil warmer, put it in the plug. Great smell, it lasts fairly well. Number 1. Glade Plugins Refill Starter Kit. Introducing the Glade Plugins Refill Starter Kit. Effortlessly enhance your home's atmosphere with this elegant air freshener. Experience enhanced fragrance control with our improved warmer. It offers twice the adjustability compared to previous models, letting you set the perfect scent level. Indulge in a luxurious scent crafted with notes of jasmine petals, creamy sandalwood, and musk. It's designed to transform any room into a tranquil oasis. This fragrance is expertly crafted by master perfumers and enriched with natural essential oils. Enjoy a sophisticated and authentic aroma. Enjoy up to 50 days of continuous fragrance per refill on a low setting. Keep your home smelling fresh and inviting for longer. What we like. This warmer offers twice the adjustability compared to previous models, allowing you to fine-tune the fragrance intensity. It provides up to 50 days of fragrance with a luxurious cashmere wood scent. If you enjoy a more customizable scent experience and appreciate a sophisticated, perfumer-crafted fragrance, this is a perfect fit for creating a mood. What people say. The Glade plugins work great. I like the fact that they can be set for mild or strong scent. These are great for the price compared. They work as well as the others and are very available. The cartridges are easy to install, although they could stand to fill them all the way up. I love the vanilla passion fruit and Hawaiian breeze combo, but wasn't able to get my cat paws on it and opt for Hawaiian breeze dolo. It smells delicious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.